Today I'm making a soda cake with a chocolate glaze. First I'm going to make the cake, so I'm going to add 1 box of chocolate cake mix into a bowl. Next I'm going to add 12 ounces of Dr. Pepper. Then I'm going to mix that up until everything is combined. Now I have a greased bundt pan. I'm going to add the cake mix into the bundt pan and bake this at 350 for 30 minutes. While the cake is baking, I'm going to make the glaze, so in a pot add 3 tablespoons of butter. Next I'm going to add 2 cups of powdered sugar. Then 1/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. Next add 1/3 of a cup of light corn syrup. Then I cook the glaze on medium heat until everything was melted, and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and mix that up until it's combined. Now that the cake is cooled, I have it on a platter and I'm going to drizzle the chocolate glaze. Lastly, I'm going to add some maraschino cherries. Here's an up-close look of the soda cake with the chocolate glaze.